What's the meaning of convoy? Convoy. Convoy.
Convoy. Convoy. Convoy refers to a group of vehicles or ships that are traveling together, usually for protection or mutual support. It is commonly used in military or commercial transportation contexts. The main purpose is to prevent any single vehicle or ship from being attacked or lost during transit. Convoy tactics have proven to be effective in ensuring the safety of goods or personnel during times of war or other hostile situations. Overall, convoying aims to minimize the risk of losses and protect the security of the group.